In mid-2021, there were 41 companies under the plantation sector of Bursa, Malaysia, with data from 2013 to 2022. I look at the performance of the sector based on this panel. As you can see, despite COVID-19, the shareholders' funds and the total assets of the panel showed some growth over the past 2 years. The sector is cyclical, with 2 cycles over the past 10 years. Revenue, profit after tax, and gross profitability reached bottom in 2019. Since then, there has been an uptrend. The revenue in 2022 was 67% higher than that in 2013. The returns in 2022 are about 40% higher than those in 2013. This is a profitable sector with 10% average return on equity for the past 10 years. You can see that there was a strong correlation between revenue and palm oil price. What is surprising is that while the revenue had grown from 2013 to 2022, there was no corresponding growth in the CPO production. Most of the growth was driven by price. According to Professor Nove Marx, gross profitability has roughly the same power as price to book value in predicting the cross-section returns of stocks. Thus, the improving trends for this metric over the past 3 years is a good sign for the sector. In fact, there's only 2 years, 2018 and 2019, that the sector average had gone below the 2013 level. It does suggest a resilient industry notwithstanding volatile earnings. Part of the reason for this is the relatively stable gross margins and better asset turnover. This is a sector with strong financials. Over the past 10 years, the sector had an average debt-equity ratio of 0.46. While the total debt in 2022 was higher than that in 2013, the debt-equity ratio in 2022 was slightly below that of 2013. The sector had been able to generate positive cash flows from operations over the past 10 years despite the volatile profit. In 2021, plantation companies accounted for about 11% of the KL Composite Index. It is a significant link, as can be seen from the chart. It is a sector with a number of sound companies. I compiled the data to serve as base rates when carrying out fundamental analysis of these plantation companies. I hope I've given you a glimpse of the performance of the sector. If you want to know more, read the article. Thank you.